Hey guys, welcome back to Salt and Prepper. Today I'm back with a special fish recipe from my mom's kitchen. The fish is cooked with onions and tomatoes and is a very healthy recipe. But before proceeding, go subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get timely updates. I have also written down the entire recipe both in English and in Assamese in the description box. Do check it out. Now let's begin. Here I am taking 7 pieces of fish, 2 tomatoes, 3 onions, 5 to 6 dices of ginger, 14 to 16 cloves of garlic, then green chilies as per your taste, 1 bunch of coriander and salt to taste. First take 14 to 16 cloves of garlic and 5 to 6 dices of ginger in a mixing jar and grind these into a paste. Now add salt to the fish as per taste. And now add the ginger garlic paste to this. And give this an even mix. We will marinate this for 1 hour. We will chop the tomatoes into dices. Now chop the onions into wedges and we will separate the petals. I'm taking out 4 wedges out of half an onion. Here in this way we are going to separate all the petals. Now chop the bunch of coriander leaves that we have. And then slit the chilies into 2 halves. Now we are done with the chopping and here they are. Now heat a pan or wok and add mustard oil as much so that the entire floor of the pan is covered. Now after the oil is smoked and the raw smell is gone, we are going to add all our chopped vegetables to this. The flame has to be on low throughout the process. So here I have added all the chopped tomatoes, onions, green chilies, and I'm giving it a stir. Now add salt as per taste and give it a nice mix. And immediately after this, I'm adding the marinated fish along with the leftover marinade. For this recipe, you need not wait for the tomatoes and onions to get rid of their raw smell and taste. And add the fish at the same time so that everything is cooked all together. I'm giving this a nice mix so that everything is evenly spread. Preferably make the fish pieces touch the floor of the pan. And then put on the lid. Make sure that the flame is low throughout the process. Now after 7 to 10 minutes, uncover and increase the flame so that it comes to a boil. Give this a nice stir and by now the fish will be cooked. And finally we will be garnishing it with some coriander leaves. Give it a mix once. So now it's fully cooked. So now we will switch off the flame and after switching off, we will put on the lid for another 5 minutes. This is done to enhance the flavor of the dish. And now it's ready to be served. Hey guys, if you like the recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your family and friends and help me grow.